how to select a stock, which is very important question in the bearish market, because people are complaining that we are not earning in the bearish market. So what is the tool or what is the solution for that? So there is only one solution, and which is how you select any particular stock, because it's not necessarily true that in the bearish market every stock is down. It's not important as well. So in the bearish market you should have that particular analysis skill that you can select a stock. So let me tell you 10 major factors which will help you to select a stock in the bearish market or bullish market. Doesn't matter which type of market is going on. So first is good volume. What does mean by good volume? Good volume means 20 moving average plus volume. It's called good volume. And it's not necessarily true that if any particular stock has 20 moving average plus good volume, so we can consider, and just on the basis of volume you should not take a trade. So second is universal segment. Universal segment can be divided in two parts: primary segment and secondary segment, and it totally depends on the person's strategy, that which strategy person is using. So according to me, I am using Nifty Bank as a primary segment, and all the rest like Nifty FMCG, Nifty Pharma, Nifty IT, Nifty Metal, Nifty Auto are in the secondary segment. Third is Vive. Vive is the average of buying and selling price of institutions and HNI categories people. And people are complaining or asking the question how to calculate Vive. We're not supposed to calculate the Vive. It's easily available on the internet on the next day. But you should have the knowledge that what is called a good Vive. Fourth is relative strength. What is relative strength? Let's say if you are saying that Nifty Pharma will do something good on the Monday. So what you have to do? You have to compare Nifty Pharma with Nifty 50. And in that chart, you're supposed to have to see, is there any pattern or is there any good candlestick happening? And if yes, so you have to pick any stock from the Nifty Pharma, and then you have to compare that particular stock with Nifty Pharma. So it's comparison. First of all, you have to compare Nifty Pharma with Nifty 50, and if is there any pattern, so you have to pick any stock from Nifty Pharma, and then you have to compare that particular stock with Nifty Pharma. So it's called relative strength. Means relative strength is not any particular definition, but you have to compare that which sector will move on the Monday or which stock are in the power. So it's called relative strength. Fifth is 52-week high stock. You have to select which stock is near to its 52-week high, because after or near to 52 weeks high, it will be, or there will be two circumstances that it will break down or it will break out. So you have to keep on radar that particular stock which are near to 52 weeks high. Sixth is broader market. Broader market means you have to see international market, Nasdaq, Hang Seng, or on the other hand you have to read hidden news of any particular company, because out of 100%, 80% trade are going in loss just because of hidden news or just because of international market. So it will be more impactful for you, or it will be more beneficial for you to get a knowledge of broader market. So it's broader market, it's very difficult to see a broader market, and sometimes it will be more difficult when there is a hidden news. So please be aware, and for that there is only one solution, and that is you have to be active in stock market. Seventh is moving average. People are constantly asking on the Twitter that how to analyze any particular stock. So on the basis of 50 moving average or 200 moving average, you can analyze that particular stock, that after a month or after a week where it will reach. And in the moving average, along with that you have to see, is there a death cross or golden cross? We are saying golden cross as bullish and death cross as bearish. Eighth is RSI, relative strength index. RSI below 40, it's bearish, and RSI above 60, we can say bullish trend. So RSI should be between 40 and 60, and along with the RSI you have to see another indicators as well. Ninth is ADX, average directional movement index. ADX should be 24 plus, and if you see in any particular stock ADX is below 18, so at that time it will be more impact, or it will be more beneficial for you to ignore that stock, because below 80 ADX it will be bearish trend. last and the 10th one is MACD. In MACD you just have to see a crossover, and after crossover blue line is above the orange line or orange line is above the blue line. Blue line above the orange line, it will be a bullish trend, and orange line above the blue line, it will be a bearish trend. So please be aware of that. So these all are the indicators that you should keep in mind while taking a trade. And for that, first of all you have to understand what is good view, because I have not explained in the video. So please study about that, what is good view, what is death cross, golden cross. So learn about that and study and analyze. Have a great investment. Thank you.